Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you about one of my other interests, watches. I have here Casio Pro Trek, which needs new batteries, and I will replace them now and show you. First, we must remove this pin from the bracelet, that we have more space. Lay it by the side. Now remove the screws of the back. Not to make scratches, put something under the watch, like a towel. So it's opened. Here are the two batteries. Let's check them, which type they are. I use a needle for this to open. Open this like so. So, the first one, it's a type 395. I bought ones here. This type of batteries. Let's take out the other one. Same method. Easiest way is to turn the watch upside down. The battery falls out. So, take the new ones, put them in. Closed it. Second one. Ready? Now, if you replace the batteries, we must make a reset, and that label says we must connect AC with battery plus using tweezers. I don't have tweezers here. Let's see what I have. Something other tool. I hope this is enough. Let's see. The watch is working. Check the bearing. Yes, it's working too. And this direction is north. Okay. Now we can put back the watch together. Here there was a spring. I don't know for what it is. First check the sealing, if it's okay. Yes, it's okay. Put back this part. Hold down with one hand. Take the screw. Put it in. Second screw. Here. on that side. It should be diagonal to press down the back of the watch correctly. Now the other screws. Tighten them. So, put back the pin into the bracelet. So, it's done. Check. Yes, it's correct. And the watch is working now again. It's a Casio Pro Trek PRT-410. So, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.